If your attic hides old treasures, you're in for a chilling surprise. Jake found an ancient typewriter buried in dust. Attached was a note. Whatever you type comes true. Intrigued, he typed, "I find $100 on my desk." A crisp bill appeared out of nowhere. Excited, Jake typed again. "A pizza appears in my kitchen. The smell of pepperoni filled the air." Grinning, he got bolder. "I become the richest man alive." Suddenly his phone buzzed. Millions flowed into his account, but then the typewriter started typing on its own. The keys clacked. "What you gain, I take." The lights flickered, darkness closed in, and Jake screamed as the typewriter swallowed him whole. All that remained was the note. "Next rider, beware. Now, would you dare to type?"